Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph tutorial video. In today's Delph tutorial video, we'll learn about how to fix a Elytra in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, collect your repair items. Open your inventory bag, pick up your anvil, and collect the phantom membranes dropped by the phantom. Make sure you have at least a few pieces of this alongside your Elytra. Your Elytra require a very specific material to patch up their holes. By gathering these specific pieces, you ensure you don't run out of supplies halfway through the job. It ensures you have everything you need sitting in your action bar before you begin. Next, open the repair station interface. Look at the ground, use your anvil, place it down on a solid block, and right-click on it to see the repair screen. Look at the screen until you see the two empty square boxes and the arrow pointing to the final third box. Because Anvil is the only tool strong enough to bind magic items together. By opening these specific menu slots, you prepare the system to receive your broken gear. It is the key step to getting the right output because a regular wood table cannot handle this type of repair work. Next, put your items in the boxes. The final step is to put your Elytra and your phantom membrane into the correct slots and pull out your fully repaired Elytra. Move your pointer over to the screen, the Elytra in the first box and phantom membrane in the second box. Watch the level number show up on the screen, pay your experience points, and drag the fixed Elytra into your backpack. Once you click the output icon, your wings are completely full of energy and ready to fly through the sky again. Now you can travel safely. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.